Hey, my name is Dan. I used to work at the biggest dealership in the country, and now I teach fine folks like you how not to get fucked when buying a car. Actually, in this video, I want to talk to dealerships. Typically, I teach fine folks out there how not to get fucked when buying a car. I teach people how not to get taken advantage of by scummy dealerships. In this video, I want to talk to dealerships. I want to talk to the people that own the dealership. I want to talk to the GMs, and I want to talk to whoever is in charge of, heads of marketing, heads of sales. This video is for you. If you don't think that your sales are high enough or where they should be, or maybe where they even were last year, let me give you 5 simple tips how you can recover your sales, how you can actually increase your sales, and how you can actually have people be buying more cars from you. And you might be asking, Dan, why would you do that if you teach people how to save money and we are over here trying to take people's money and sell them all sorts of bullshit on top of selling them a car? Well, this is gonna sound crazy, but if you do your job right, it actually makes it easier for us, the customers, to spend money with you. Make sense? The less of an asshole you are, the easier it is for me to give you money. Are we on the same page? Okay, let's get this party started. So first, we're gonna go over 5 topics. Number 1, list the true price that you're selling the car for, including all the fucking dealer fees. Or even better, this is gonna sound crazy, don't have any dealer fees at all. But Dan, you don't know how fierce the competition is. I have to lie to my customers. That we're selling a car for 26. Meanwhile, the car is actually going to be 28 or 29 with all of our bullshit dealership fees that we're going to add. This is a novel concept. This is going to be crazy, but you sit down and try to understand this. If you don't lie to your customers, they might actually buy from you. I know this sounds like a crazy concept. Try it out. And whenever you're going to be running your ads, run an ad something like this. Now we have the lowest price. We don't lie. That's it. Can you imagine a fucking car ad that just says, we don't lie? People know what the fuck you're selling. They know you're not selling fucking pickles. They know what you're selling. People aren't stupid. A car dealership is selling fucking cars. What a novel concept. They know what the fuck you're selling. The reason that they don't come to you is because you're a lying fucking bastard. That's why. That's why you spend tens of fucking thousands of dollars on your advertisement, and of course you recoup money because you have sleazy ass fucking salesmen. I'm not gonna tell you that you don't recoup money, but just try this concept. Don't be a shitbag and don't fucking lie to your customers about the pricing. I know it's a crazy concept. I know. Try to wrap your head around it. Try it. Next one, no-haggle dealership. Okay? Listen, if you do not haggle, can you please advertise that you do not haggle? That way I don't even have to call you. That way I can see that you don't negotiate, you don't haggle. Whenever you have a picture of your car, right? Pictures of your car. The first picture, typically you will have your phone number, the name of the dealership, your address, and you know what else you should include? You should also include on that picture, on your first picture, rest of the pictures are just pictures of the car. But first picture is typically like an advertisement a little bit, right? Like a postcard. Include that you don't haggle. No-haggle dealership. We don't negotiate. That way, I don't have to waste my time calling you. If you don't negotiate, I'm not even gonna call you. Can you please respect my time? Listen, just have some common respect. I'm not asking George fucking Washington respect. I'm not asking Dalai Lama respect, okay? I'm asking just basic human respect, like you don't fart in a fucking restaurant. That kind of level of respect. Okay, just bare fucking minimum, okay? Now, for those of you that are actually willing to negotiate, you can put we negotiate in the first picture of the car. Cool? So I got solutions for you. You got fucking problems. I got solutions by the fucking dozen. Next one, number 3, dealership fees. I feel like I covered this already, but I want to make, a separate topic just on the dealership fees. Listen, if you are going to have dealership fees, please include it. Listen, my first option was don't have dealership fees at all. Just don't be a douchebag, don't be a fucking cunt, don't be a piece of shit, don't fucking lie to your customers. That was my first solution. If you can't handle that, if you can't be a man of fucking integrity, if you have to be a piece of shit, if that's in your DNA, not a problem. I understand. Maybe tip number 3 will help you be a less of a douchebag. Just a little bit. Include the dealership fees in your price. Whenever you have your price listed, right, you include right in the fucking description of a car. First sentence, we have $2,000 dealership fees. We have $3,000 dealership fees. We have $500. We have $300. We have no balls. We have $700 dealership fees. Instead of, raising a car by $300 or $50 fucking dollars, you include the dealership fees. I understand you got no balls. I understand you couldn't sell pussy on the troop train. I understand that. Maybe skill the fuck up, learn how to sell, and sell the car without lying to the customer about the price of the car. Could that be something you start doing? Maybe. Just fucking maybe. Next one, number 4, Carfax. Include the fucking Carfax. If you cannot afford to include a Carfax, free fucking Carfax on every single car that you sell on whatever website you sell, cars.com, AutoTrader, whatever bullshit you're selling it on, Craigslist, wherever you're selling your car at, if you cannot afford a fucking Carfax, a link to the Carfax. If you didn't know, you can include a link to the Carfax. You can include pictures of the Carfax. If you cannot do that, the fuck you doing selling cars? What the fuck are you doing selling cars at all? Number 5 pisses me off a lot. I was just gonna say the most, but really it's the fake pricing and the fact that you guys don't have any fucking balls to list true prices. Number 5, your internet sales managers. Your internet sales managers do not sell anything. They are not managing anything. Stop fucking lying to yourself. They don't do anything. They are overpaid, over-glorified receptionists. That's who they are. They take people's phone calls and then transfer them to the fucking salesman. What kind of a dealership are you running, and how busy are you that your salesmen don't have the time to pick up the fucking phone? I remember when I used to work at the dealership, when that phone rang, we had motherfuckers run across the fucking showroom to pick up a phone because we knew that was money calling. What kind of busy ass fucking dealership do you work at where you have so many salesmen busy that you can't pick up a phone? What are you working at? That's just concept. But here's the practical implication of your useless fucking sales managers. Not only they are not managers of anything, they can't even sell a car. They can't even fucking do anything. They transfer me to an actual salesperson that does everything. Your sales managers are more useless than a fucking pack of magnums at the feminist conference. They are more useless than a bag of dicks without a handle. Number 1. Can internet sales manager negotiate the price with me? No, they can't, because they are not a sales manager. They have this magical name that you gave them, internet sales manager. They're not managing anything but themselves. They're not doing shit. They have no control over price. They can't lower it. Next one, number 2. Can internet sales manager go out and take pictures of the car? I want pictures of fucking scratches. I want pictures of dents. If I'm buying a truck that I know is highly susceptible to rust, I want to make sure it's not rusted to shit. When I'm buying a car, I want to make sure the underneath of the car is not scratched to shit. I want to make sure the oil pan is not dented because some idiot ran over a parking curb or something. All right? I want to get somebody out to the car. I want to get some extra pictures. I want to make sure the car hasn't been smoked in. I want to make sure it has the features that I want, because often 90% of the fucking time, the people that are listing these cars online have no idea what the fuck they're actually listing. You, the manager of the store, the heads of marketing of sales, the manager of sales and marketing, the actual owners of the fucking dealerships. You guys don't do anything besides jerk yourselves off in a fucking broom closet. Have you seen the fucking ads that the cars you're trying to sell? They have no information about the car. I mean, I'm looking for a car. It doesn't say the size of the engine, the displacement of the engine. It doesn't say what type of engine it is. What, like with Toyota, if it's a flex fuel or not a flex fuel, right? It doesn't give me if it's a V6 or a V8. Luckily, if by some kind of God's mercy somebody included V6 and V8 when I'm choosing the V8s, for example, right? In options, when I'm on a website, I can choose V8s, right? If your idiot did not put that this truck is a V8, this truck is not getting a call. Do you wonder why you got shit sitting on your lot for months? Could it be because nobody can even fucking find it? It's out there on the internet somewhere with shit description or no description at fucking all. Next, reason number 3 why your internet managers are useless. Can internet sales manager take the car for pre-purchase inspection? When I'm buying a car, I don't fucking trust you. I do not trust you as a fucking dealer. I used to work at the fucking dealership. I do not trust you that that car has no problems. I don't fucking trust you. I want that bitch pre-purchase inspection. I'm gonna take it to another shop somewhere nearby, 5-10 minutes away. Your salesman is gonna have to hop in the car. He's gonna have to put his dick back into his drawers, stop jerking off, playing fucking video games on his phone, stop watching YouTube, and he's actually gonna have to do some work. He's gonna have to hop in the car, drive for 15 minutes, and then he's gonna have to leave the car over there for an hour, hour and a half, maybe sit over there, or maybe he's gonna have to spend $5 entire to Uber back, or a lot attendant is gonna have to pick him up. When I want a car inspected, I want that bitch inspected. Can your online sales manager do that? No. He's gonna send some salesman to do that. Here are 5 tips why you are not getting the type of sales you want to get. This is very simple shit that you can fix. Very simple shit. You can actually save money. You don't need to invest any money. You can save money. You can save money firing these useless fucking online sales managers. When I call a dealership, your dealerships, and somebody picks up a phone and I ask them, can I talk to a salesman? And some dumbass is saying, I'm in sales. No, idiot. I don't want to talk to somebody in sales. I want to talk to a salesman. Somebody who's responsible for something. Somebody who can do something besides taking my name and calling me 6 months later as if I haven't bought a car 3 days from now. Do you know anybody that's shopping for a car 6 months fucking later? You know better than me. You have the fucking statistics. You go to all the expensive fucking conferences to learn about sales, how to sell more cars. You know that an average person will buy a car in a fucking week, not 6 months from now. You got somebody in the fucking CRM, you're trying to sell him a car. 6 months later, that motherfucker bought a car already. In the next video, I'll give 5 tips for salesmen, how to actually sell a little bit more cars and how not to look like a complete fucking jackass while doing it. Huge thank you for watching this video. Click here to subscribe, watch one of those 2 videos, and click the share button below the video. Did you enjoy the video? Did you find it useful? Do you think you're gonna save some money with it? Abso-fucking-lutely you will. Share this video on Facebook with somebody else. This is Dan Strong with 60 Minute Car. I'm signing out and I'll see you in another video.